freezing out. It is midday and it has just become above freezing. Oh, you coming to check? Okay. Here's Linus coming to check on me to make sure I'm not mad at him, because I just took him outside for what feels like the 100th time to see if he had to go potty. No, he just wanted to go between the sunspots and then the completely frozen ground. I'm not mad. Disappointed. Not mad. Mostly just cold, to be honest. But here's the thing. It is a cold Sunday here. The house is in complete disarray. But that's, I guess, what happens when you try and live through renovating your house. So, like, there's not really a home for things to go. Oh, that's cute. I have that in my hair. I know I'm not going to find a home for most things, but we got to do a little tidying. Lenny would prefer just to snuggle. Same, Bubs. Just snuggling sounds great. Get your crazy eye out. Okay. So come with me as we do a Sunday reset, I guess. That's what we're doing. Bubba, that means I have to put you down. Let's go out to the living room. If you remember previously, we had a bunch of cabinets built, but like nothing was put together. We're doing that whole IKEA hack. Well, surprise, we took them all out. We have since decided that we're gonna cut off 4 to 5 inches off the back of every single one, just to give us a little bit more room. There'll still be plenty of room, like depth wise, but we're just gonna like cut it off. We also hate all of the pillows that came with the couch. The kitchen table is just ghosts of projects past. And then the kitchen, since we took out the pantry, we took out some other things, there's just some storage issues. So the counters get cluttered super fast and they just need to be tidied. The garage has so many active projects in it. I'm not gonna show you the garage. The garage has so many active projects in it, we can't park in the garage anymore. And we're fully aware it's probably gonna take a couple weeks to reclaim the garage for these projects, but this is a start. So thank you. Come with me as we clean everything. Let's see how far we can get in the next couple hours.